Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can add a contractor into your FreshBooks account. It's very easy. It's very similar to adding accountant. So let's begin. First of all, obviously you have to have your account all set up, and once you log in, all of a sudden we have to go to the left side where is my team option on the left sidebar, and on top right it's invite button. As you can see, we already added accountant, and the same way we are about to add a contractor as well. So we can go with Anne Blue, enter her email address, and then continue. So this is an invitation from your email using FreshBooks, and easily there is a link that this Anne girl has to click in, and you just send an invitation. And just like that, the contractor, in this case Anne Blue, just have to open her account and just click on the link, and she can easily join your team. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.